Dear valued customer, first off, thanks so much for purchasing the guide that will teach you how to properly make use of content marketing. If you follow the step-by-step guide, you will be heading towards increasing your sales by drastically increasing your visibility, authority, and trust online. But what if you could build immense authority and a huge list of readers even faster? And what if you could ensure that you get the absolute best results possible and stay focused? In short, making sure that this is a real success. The good news is, you can. For a limited time, you can get access to the video upgrade to the guide you just purchased at a big discount. This powerful upgrade will make it easier to get started and stay committed to properly make use of content marketing. Just to be clear, this is an exclusive upgrade for customers only. Why you need to upgrade to the video version of the Content Marketing Blueprint Guide. Did you know that most people learn a lot faster when they see something being done on video than by just reading about it? Now that's because most people out there are visual learners. How do you normally learn the best? Although the guide you just purchased gives you a step-by-step approach to building immense authority and a huge list of readers, but many of the content marketing hacks require you to pay very close attention to the details to get the best results possible. If you miss any of the most important details or do things in the wrong way, you may miss out on the fullest benefits offered inside the guide. For that very reason, I've put together a video version to make it much easier to get positive results quickly. The video version of the guide you just purchased will help you avoid missing any important key details about building that kind of trust and authority directly. Make sure you become an authority instead of working with an authority. Stay focused and accountable, and follow through and make sure you get ongoing results. Ensure that the work you put in now keeps on paying dividends long into the future. Introducing the video version to the guide to show you how to properly make use of content marketing. Are you ready to build immense authority and a huge list of readers? If the answer is yes, click the link below. Of course, you're probably wondering how much this is going to cost you, right? First off, cost is the wrong word. This upgrade is an investment that will pay for itself many times over. And the good news is, right now you can upgrade and lock in a massive 75% discount. This is the next best thing to having a content marketing expert right beside you, showing you how it's done. Not only will you avoid many of the most common mistakes that people make when trying to build immense authority and a huge list of readers, you'll notice immediate positive results in your achievements. And it's about to get even better. When you upgrade today, you'll also get this exclusive Fast Action bonus. Fast Action bonus. High quality MP3s of the entire video version of the training, valued at $27. Don't have time to watch videos? I am also providing you with 10 MP3s that you can use while you're on the go. Listen to them in the car, at home, or even at the office, and you'll be an awesome content marketing machine, all day, every day. And here's what's really great about this. You don't have to decide anything today. You get a full 30 days to go through the video training and decide if this is really for you. If for any reason or no reason at all you're not 100% satisfied with everything you get inside, simply let me know and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Here's how to get instant access to the video version today. Simply click the link below, enter your information, and you'll get instant access to the entire video training version plus the Fast Action bonus MP3s. But please don't wait. To lock in the discounted pricing, you must grab this right now. In fact, if you close this page, you may never have the opportunity to upgrade to the video version of this ever again at an investment this low. And remember, this special discounted pricing is reserved for existing customers only. Are you ready to build immense authority and a huge list of readers even faster? If you prefer to learn by being shown how to do something and you want to get results quickly, this is for you. If you're really serious about skyrocketing your sales by drastically increasing your visibility, authority, and trust online, this is for you. And if you're one of those people that's a visual learner, you need this. Here's to becoming the most productive you that you can be. Remember, if you close this page, you may never see this again at such a low investment. There's no risk. Try this out for 30 days and then decide if this is for you. It doesn't get any easier than that.